Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBro. Today we're diving into something really exciting, AI face swap. Have you ever seen those clips where someone's face is perfectly swapped into a movie scene or a group photo and thought, how do they even do that? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use different face swap features to create your own realistic photos and videos in just a few clicks. Let's start with the video face swap. This feature allows you to replace a face inside a video clip. It's perfect if you want to see yourself in a movie scene, a music video, or just make fun edits for social media. All you have to do is open Video Swap AI, upload your original face photo, select the target face, choose your credit type. I'm selecting HD6 here for better quality, and then hit the swap button. Within moments, the tool generates a brand new video where your face has been seamlessly swapped and the results look so natural that it honestly feels unreal. Next up, we have the photo face swap. This one is great if you just want to experiment with pictures. Whether it's trying your face on a celebrity's photo, swapping with a friend, or simply having some fun edits. The process is the same. Upload your original face, pick the target image, and hit swap. The AI instantly replaces the face, giving you a crisp and realistic looking photo. You can repeat this with multiple images, and every time the results come out clean and impressive. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. The multi-face swap video. Imagine a video with 2 or more people, and you want to swap everyone's faces at once. With this feature, it's totally possible. You simply upload your video, let the AI detect the faces, and then assign a new target face to each person. After hitting generate, the video comes back fully processed with all the faces swapped. What makes this even more powerful is that it keeps the expressions, movements, and natural flow of the video intact, so everything looks smooth and realistic. For group photos, there's the multi-photo face swap option. This works when you have a picture with multiple people, like a family photo, a group of friends, or even a class picture. You upload the photo, the AI detects every face in it, and then you can upload a new target face for each one. After clicking swap, the tool processes everything and shows you a result where every face has been replaced while still keeping the angles, lighting, and expressions accurate. It's honestly impressive how well it handles complex photos with multiple faces. And finally, the last feature we'll look at today is the AI Kiss feature. This one lets you generate short kiss videos using AI. The process is super simple. You upload your image, select the aspect ratio, apply the changes, and then choose the duration of the video. Once you click Create, the AI generates a realistic kiss video for you in just a few moments. It's a fun and creative feature that can make unique content for social media or just for entertainment. So those are the powerful tools we explored today: video face swap, photo face swap, multi-face swap video, multi-photo face swap, and the AI Kiss feature. Each one has its own use case, and the results are genuinely impressive across the board. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to TechBro, and let me know in the comments which feature you found the most exciting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.